This refresher costs $12 in New York. Here's how it's made from scratch.
Hand-selected for peak ripeness.
Quality standard, grade A only, 98% acceptance rate.
USDA certified, FDA grade A facility, 50,000 square feet processing plant. Computer-aided ripeness analysis. Perfect sorting accuracy. Cold-pressed extraction. Maximum nutrient retention. 48-hour shelf life advantage. Precise ratio, 65% mango, 35% dragonfruit. Perfect flavor balance. 3,000 RPM industrial blender. 30-second homogenization cycle. Perfect consistency achieved. pH optimized for shelf life and flavor preservation. Nutritional fortification with natural vitamins and minerals. Daily value enhancement. Microfiltration removes 99.9% of particles. Maximum clarity. Extended shelf life. $240 bottles per minute, filled with precision perfection. Premium label design speaks to quality and craftsmanship.
QR code connects to farm story and transparency data. Human sensory expertise complements automated testing for perfect quality.
Today's batch, 5,400 bottles, ready for nationwide distribution. From farm to bottle to 5,000 retailers in 48 hours.
Direct from farm to your door in 48 hours. Fresh, cold, perfect.
%35% vitamin C, 40% B6, 3x antioxidants, zero guilt, pure benefits.
Perfect post-workout recovery drink. Refuel. Rehydrate. Recover.
Amazing.
It really works wonders.
I noticed a difference right away.
Highly recommend this.
4.8 out of 5 stars from 12,000 techs verified reviews.
Award-winning innovation recognized by industry leaders.
Thank you. We are truly honored.
Carbon neutral operations. 92% recyclable packaging. Tree planting initiative. Sustainable farming.
From our farm to your table. Complete transparency. 100% traceable. Pure craft. Complete wellness.
My energy levels are through the roof.
This is the easiest morning routine. Just blend and go.
Cheers, everyone.
Limited edition flavors available for exclusive time only. Subscribe monthly. Save 20%. Exclusive access. Free shipping. Wellness rewards.
Available at premium retailers nationwide. Order online. Free shipping over $50.
I finally found something that helps me seize the day. This is the motivation you need.
Questions? We'd love to hear from you. Contact us anytime.
When you drink our juice, you're not just refreshing your body. You're supporting regenerative agriculture and our community.